Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know you all seen the title, and this is a spring cleaning video. We are going to make sure we get these baseboards in every room, as well as cleaning up a little bit outside, and then changing out the shower curtains and the liner in the bathroom. Um, but we're also going to be doing some prevention, some ant prevention today. Um, where I'm at now, it gets warm pretty fast. And so those ants, all those insects are coming like on the balcony, on the steps and stuff, and we don't want them to get in the home. So we are going to be doing some prevention today as well as cleaning a little bit here and there. So don't look at the clothes. We're not folding today. No. We're not doing none of that. We're not cleaning for real today. Only thing we're gonna clean are like mostly the floors, baseboards, things like that. The other cleaning, we can do that in another video. All right, don't judge me. Judge somebody else. So let's get into this video. All right, guys, so we have got the sweeping out of the way. We got the mopping out of the way, and now it is time to spray around the baseboards. And since I live in an apartment, I'm definitely going to do the bathrooms very thoroughly because of our neighbors. You know, you never know who you live next to and what they got going on in their house. So we're going to make sure, like I say, prevention, prevention, prevention. Make sure we spray really good. And although this was a no odor spray, I still sprayed enough to where it has a smell now. So I did put on a mask later in this video, and then since I was cleaning the windows, I opened up the windows to let some air in, especially before Titus came home. And so as you can see, I moved furniture around. I'm going to get those baseboards with my tool on my vacuum cleaner, and then just try to vacuum everything else up. And again, I'm going to clean those windows as well. guys. So I know you all see this and you're like, what the hell is that? Um, it just looks like a lot of dirt that's just been caked up. There's no telling how long this has been here. Um, and I should have known that these windows were going to look like this because the windows in the front room, the front one, the windows in the front room look like this as well when I first cleaned those out. The only reason I haven't touched me or Titus's room windows is because I didn't want him to start touching and pressing on the screen and then, God forbid, he fell out. That's a nightmare of mine. So I did not want that to happen. But since he's in ABA therapy full time now, this is one of the better times to go ahead, open those windows, and get them cleaned out. So it was just so gross, y'all. Just so gross and disgusting. So again, it's all done. And so I'm finishing up our bedroom right now. And I'll do Tice's room next. All right, guys. So you can see we're in Titus's room. Right there, I'm just fixing his little cubby thing because it was wobbly. But anywho, we're cleaning up his room, which is almost an everyday job at this point. He just has so many toys, and I'm gonna do another video, another decluttering his toys video. I feel like I do those more than anything. But anywho, we're in his room, we're vacuuming, and I pull his bed away from the wall just to kind of get on that side, make sure there's no crumbs or anything. I tell Titus not to eat in his room, but kids like to do whatever they like to do, and that's not cool. So I definitely got over there in that little space, cleaned up his room, and I did not spray. I didn't want those toxins in his actual room where he sleeps. Um, and I got all that gunk out of the windows, let some fresh air in, and then we're on to the bathroom. Alright guys, so we are done with the bathroom and we are heading to the front part of the house. I am in Titus's toy room slash our dining room. I did not have a chance to do the spraying and using the tool in these rooms because my time was getting short. So I just made sure I vacuumed at least, and then on another day, I think I went ahead and just sprayed in their front room, especially by the doors and on the balcony. So this is it, guys. I really thank y'all for staying tuned. This was a long video for me to do, but I'm trying to push myself and just do more, you know. So yeah, man, like, just comment, subscribe, like. I got a lot of ideas for this channel, and I'm trying to be more consistent. I say that a lot, but this year I'm definitely stepping my game up because Mommy's Corner is officially an LLC now. So I'm definitely trying to up my game and just present, you know, to y'all a little bit more content, better content. Let me say that. And this last piece right here, we took this out of Titus's room, and we made this like a little shoe storage area. But as you can see, there's lots of coats and jackets in there. And then in our little cramped closet space, my husband playing a game. In our little cramped closet space right there, I'm gonna put in some jackets. But in a later video, I'm gonna just show you all that I took out this little gray storage cube so we can have more room for our coats and jackets, because it's definitely taking up a lot of room. So I'm just cleaning up and straightening it up, and then also go get Titus. So again, I appreciate y'all. See y'all later.